Walter from Friendswood has a question about solar film.
Well, he's moving into a retirement home, Tom, that's under construction right now. And Walter writes, our unit has these 3 high windows facing, whoops, I moved past it, didn't I? There we go. These high 3 windows right up there. Yeah, and they're facing due west, he says. Not, that would be Pasadena. He means west to the sun.
Got it.
Due West Foundation Repairs in Pasadena, but he means D.
No, I got it.
Okay. Anyway, they're 14 feet up, so no one will be able to look closely at them. And the management company says has offered to install film on these if he'll supply the film. I want to reduce UV and some light, he says. So, Tom, Walter wants to know what film to buy, where does he go?
Don't buy it. Don't put it on. And don't go through that process for sure. And here's why. I'm sure they're double pane windows. This is new construction.
Sure.
They have to be. If you put any old film on a double pane window, it builds the heat up so much inside the glass, it could crack the glass. And I've seen it happen many times. That's why you void the warranty on the glass when you put film on there, unless you get a professional company. SolarX is a company we know of that works with the 3M Corporation. And if you put their film on with one of their certified people, then the warranty will transfer to 3M. But if you go out and buy some film from Home Depot, have that management company put it on, and those windows crack, you're going to have to replace all the glass up there. And that's going to be expensive because that's a lot of ladders to get that high up in the air. Okay?
That's a whole bunch of ladders.
That's a whole bunch of ladders. So don't do it at all. Hopefully they have a low E coating. Most of the new windows do. They're double pane, and that's just the nature of what you have there. But don't put any film on there.
I remember Jim Hardwick from Ideal went and fixed a roofing detail on one of these condos. We filmed this years ago, and it was so high up. It was higher than his tallest ladder. So they had to build a box that they put in the back of his truck, and they backed in and put the ladder on top to be able to get up there. Well, no, I mean,
they know what they're doing.
He knew what he was doing. Don't do that.
Careful.
But I'm saying, sometimes I think architects don't think about how are they going to service this thing when they build it.
Well, and I think the home buyer needs to think about it too, because before I got married to Sandra, she had a 3.5-story home, and they have power lines 15 inches away from it. How do you get up there to paint it or fix it?
What could possibly go wrong?
Yeah, that's not a good thing.
Nothing goes wrong when you send us your questions, though, because you get the answer you're looking for from the Tom Tynan College of Home Improvement Knowledge. Just use the Ask Tom form at HomeShowRadio.com.